Cookie swirl? See?
I'm hungry.
Oh, vending machine!
Food. Hungry, 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 hungry. Ooh. Yummy, 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 yummy. Beep. Beep. Come on. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Come on. Come on. I'm hungry.
Is everything okay over here?
Vending machine. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hungry. Beep, 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 beep. Hungry.
Ooh! Ooh, you pressed the vending machine too many times. Don't press so many buttons at once. Don't press so many buttons at once. Ooh, you're gonna jam the machine.
Huh? Huh? Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Ooh, the machine is jammed. The machine is jammed. Is there a problem here? Ooh, the machine is jammed. Oh no, Cookie Pants, look out, look out, look out. The vending machine is totally jammed. Okay, we gotta stop the machine. Stop the machine. Okay, stop. Okay, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Okay. Whew. All right, we controlled it. Oh, no, easy. Woo! Press the button. Just press the button. Okay, get the vending machine to stop. Press the button. Press. Beep. Whew. Okay, at least the vending machine has stopped moving. Looks like it's jammed with something here. We're not gonna get any squish-delish Shopkins out of this thing. Okay, maybe we can reach in and see what is jamming the vending machine. So it should have squish-delish Shopkins in here, but let's see. Let's reach on in and let's see. Can I feel what's in here? Oh, there's something. Okay, let's pull it out. Let's pull it out. Here it comes. Woo! Oh, it looks like we've got... Hey! Who put a soda inside of the Squish Delish vending machine? Wait a minute! It's not just any soda, it's the sparkly critters!
Yay! Friends! Friends!
Oh, perfect! So we can open up this soda can. Just pop it open. Now we can open up this giant soda can, not by the little tab on the top, but we've got a secret little arrow right here that we can actually peel. Here we go. And it actually reveals a secret little hidden chamber inside of the soda can. And we've got surprise blind bags. Woo! So it looks like we can make our very own special slime by using some unicorn magic, unicorn sparkle, and unicorn shimmer. We can twist the soda can, spin it around. Here we've got another surprise blind bag. And this one, ooh, yum. We've got grape Fanta. Ooh, Farfa. Little grape soda. And give this a twist again. And there's another surprise blind bag. There's so many surprises in here. Whoop. And in this blind bag, we've got our bag of barbecued Lay's potato chips. Potato. And a golden unicorn little spoon. And we've got the checklist, you guys. These are so cute. I wonder which one of these adorable little sparkly critters is hiding inside of the soda can. Because there's so many cute ones. Like, so many.
Cute little monkey.
So who is it going to be? Give it a spin and open it up to see. And who is it? Who's this one? It's the little baby dragon! We found the little baby dragon! Look at the little claws! Oh, he's so cute with his claws and his little tail and his little dragon wings. This one right here is Singe. Hi. Okay, I have a feeling these two are gonna be good friends. All right, let's see if there was anything else jamming up the Squish Delish vending machine. Let's see, do I feel anything else in here? Oh, wait a minute. Here's something else again. It's something else. Oh, it's another soda can in here. Who keeps putting sodas in the vending machine? We better find them. They're gonna be in big trouble. So who is inside of this sparkly critter can? All right, let's see. Right here, the hidden little arrow and peel. We've got more little unicorn powders. Now we'll spin it again. Here's our next surprise blind bag. Oh, we've got a Coca-Cola, diet flavored. And spin it again. We got another chip bag. Ooh, We've got some hot flamin' Cheetos. And another unicorn. All right, come on out, cute little critter. What is that piece? Well, they've got wings. Like little butterfly wings. What in the... Oh, is this like the little butterfly or a moth? Oh, look at its arms. This one's got special arms because its arms are actually wings. Oh, where's the checklist? No, no way. This one is Flutter. You guys, the color. Look at the color changing kind of on this. It's like, is it purple? Is it black? Is it blue? Is it green? It's hard to tell. The answer is it's all of the above. It's all of these colors because it's just so pretty. And look at those super duper long lashes that you can actually touch. This is so cool. This one is one of the coolest ones. Wow. Oh, there she goes. She's flying. Oh no, the vending machine. No, what's going on? Oh, whoa, I see it. There's another soda in here. There's another soda. Okay, press the button to make it stop. Press the button. Press it quickly. Beep. Oh, okay. Hopefully the vending machine is done freaking out. Let's see, can we pull this out? So we've got one soda and whoop, another one in here too. It was jammed with 4 cans of sparkly critter soda. This one, oh, we've got a lemon flavored. Ooh, Doritos. And this one, oh, it's gonna be bananas in here because we found the little monkey. It's Nanners. Ooh, Dr. Pepper. Ooh, more hot Cheetos. And the last sparkly critter is... Ooh, it looks like we've got a white kitty cat. She is really precious. It's Chloe. Now, all of these sparkly critters have a very, very special slime surprise if they drink their soda. Take a sip. Yum, yum. Oh, she was thirsty. Now I'm gonna shake for 1 minute. And then after shaking for a minute, give the critter a squeeze. Slime surprise! Ooh! Oh, there's so much slime inside. Slime! Whoa! Oh! Oh, it looks like toothpaste. Slime! Ooh. Oh no, it's mixing in with the pink slime. Ooh. Okay, I let the slime sit for 10 minutes now so we can actually touch it. Yes! So Nanners made this banana-colored yellow slime. Oh, that is just so super duper soft and very, very stretchy. Now these ones, they accidentally kind of got mixed together a little bit, but that's okay. Ugh, we've got this kind of like minty toothpastey slime. Oh no, this one's still a little bit goopy and wet. This one may need to sit for a little bit longer. But this one, oh, the pink one feels ready. So I can peel this one up, but it did mix with the red one a little bit. So it might be a little goopy. Oh, the slime is so nice. It makes really, really cool slime. Yeah, this one's just a little watery here, so we'll let this one sit for a little bit longer. All right, it's been 15 minutes later, and yes, it looks like we've got slime. So now I can peel the slime. It might be a little wet in some areas, but basically here, oh, mixing them both together. Here we go. Now we've got a super duper soft, sticky slime. And what's so cute about the slime is that you can take your little chip bags, open them up, and fill them with the slime, so that way you can keep your slime that you made nice and fresh and seal the bag of chips. Oh no, the vending machine! Is it okay? Oh! Oh, it looks like it works now, because now it's filled with Shopkin Squish Delish in here. Well, there's a whole bunch in here. Whoa! And these are so squishy, too. So much Shopkin Squish Delish. So it looks like the vending machine is working after all. Yay! Woohoo! Well, it looks like this adorable little sparkly critters bunny has all of these friends to hang out with that are just so cool. The vending machine is working and life is back to being amazing. Oh, what's going on with the vending machine now? What is this? What is this? Oh, there's fan mail. Pull it out of the vending machine. Woo! Yes, look at this fan mail. We've got a big chocolatey chippy cookie. This is from Mary. I love your videos so much, and your videos are the best. Love, Mary. Thank you, Mary. Look it's me, Cookie Swirl C, wearing a donut sweater. OMG, Cookie, I love so much your videos. Every time I see them, you put a smile on my face. Can I be your #1 super fan? Of course you can. And you drew a cookie princess with her cookie friend and an LOL cookie. That is so amazing. I love it. Buttered bread, bye. Cookie fans, are you ready for Cookie Swirl World? It's the official Cookie Swirl C app game. You can explore a cute, sugary world, play fun games, jump around as a gummy bear, take care of sick patients, make food, and earn coins to go shopping at the mall, and adopt cute pets to take care of. It's the official Cookie Swirl C app game, you guys. It is available right now. You can download it for free at the Google Play Store and the App Store. It's free! Hello, Cookie fans. You're at the end of the video. Did anyone notice that there was something extra inside of the vending machine? Yep, it was there just for a second, but what was it? Was it a glittery red gummy bear? A pink sprinkly cupcake? Or this giant avocado? Hey, you can take the seed out of its mouth.